Hey guys, welcome back to today's outdoor video. And look.
Send Dad all the eggs.
Yeah, send it to him. I'm gonna send my video to Dad, then my family chat, then to YouTube. Or maybe YouTube first.
It's too hot out. It's too hot. They're probably dead. It's so hot. Sent him 3 photos. Those aren't eggs.
Look at what today's weather is.
Oh, yeah, those are.
Oh, that sun looks very cool on camera.
No, they're not eggs. They're like mushrooms. They're like fungus and mushrooms from the rain.
What? Then how could they look like eggs?
I know, they look like eggs. Like they're shaped.
I know. Oh yeah, I can see that one came up from the ground.
Oh yeah, that's
I-
Those are mushrooms.
yeah. I see
Maybe Dad, let Dad see the picture first.
that. Yeah,
Those may be bird eggs or fungus. If you don't know what fungus are, they're like bacteria, like mushrooms, and any type of bacteria.
Don't even touch it.
Just let Dad see the pictures first.
He said those aren't eggs already. So you know.
You heard it crowing, right? The camera probably didn't catch that. Let me wash my hands quickly. Hey guys. I'll show you what I mean by hot. 82, not 10:02. Friday today. 3 more days until we go on our vacation.
But if it's clear, overhydrating, so you have to.
No, clear means you perfect.
No, clear means you're overhydrating.
No, it means you're perfect. Mom said it's perfect.
YouTube hydrating. Lemonade is perfect. And YouTube YouTube is just like Google. It's not always right. Hey, Mom. Yeah. On YouTube, I saw this about pee. This one.
Hey,
Is clear water perfect or overhydrating? Because on YouTube it says it's overhydrating yourself. But then lemonade color is perfect, but apple juice is dehydrating.
Nick, apple juice color, no. Lemonade is not perfect. This is AC the new. And
Mom?
cats don't shower.
Mom?
Dogs eat, don't either. Max goes to the groom.
Perfect.
Wait, Mom, doesn't Max go to the groom today?
Mom.
It's done.
Max, you're going to the groom today. Guys, Max goes to the groom today. So let's see how his new look is till later.
Mom.
I hope this quick video is good enough for right now. Bye, guys. See you in another video.